A lot of folks following the action inside the courtroom today. The question, though, remains whether District Attorney Fani Willis will be removed from this case. That's a question 11 Alive's Grace King is asking for us tonight. And Grace, what would Judge McAfee be considering here?
Well, I know we've talked a lot about the relationship between Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade and District Attorney Fani Willis, but legal experts tell me the bigger question isn't the relationship itself, but whether they've misrepresented that relationship in court. I spoke with Emory law professor John Acebedo earlier. He told me he's alarmed by the lack of receipts for transactions between Willis and Wade. It's made it difficult for either side to corroborate or disprove testimony of who paid for what and whether certain expenses like flights and hotels were reimbursed. Plus, there were some uncertainties around how Wade answered questions during his divorce proceedings, particularly whether he'd entertained anyone of the opposite sex other than his spouse during the course of his marriage. He said no because he and his wife agreed their marriage ended in 2015, but defense attorneys argued that's not true because he was still legally married.
And most certainly opens him up not only to perjury, but also to bar disciplinary issues. And it may even be, even if they're not disqualified, they may have to step back and allow new counsel to go in. The question will become, how damaged are these two individuals, these two lawyers?
Now, going into this hearing, many of the attorneys I had spoken with thought it was unlikely that DA Willis would be disqualified from this case. After hearing testimony today, they say they think it could be more of a possibility. But of course, we'll keep you updated whenever we learn that decision.
All right, Grace, thank you so much. Of course, we have been following this case for you very closely. If you'd like to watch those live proceedings still ongoing, we are streaming them right now on the 11 Alive Plus streaming app. Just search for 11 Alive on your streaming device, and it'll be on the front page of the app.